My name is Mikkel Forney. I'm from Hampstead, North Carolina. Been with Ace Doran for 4 years. I got a big family. My wife Tabitha and I've been married for almost 22 years. We've got 6 kids. It's a blessing. Everybody's happy and healthy, so it's awesome. I started trucking in 2004, right after I got out of the Army. Started trucking with my dad. And then moved over to Mercer Transportation, and then from Mercer back to working on my own, under my own authority. And then had a conversation with some guys at Ace Doran, and I found a home, and that's where I've been ever since.
So you said you're Army, former Army.
Yes, sir.
Tell me a little bit about your military service and what brought you to Wreaths across America.
I joined the Army in 1996, straight out of high school. Went to Fort Jackson, South Carolina for basic training, and that's where I met my wife. So I left Fort Jackson and went down to Fort Gordon, Georgia for school. And my first duty station was Camp Carroll, Korea. From Camp Carroll, Korea back to Fort Bragg, North Carolina, where I served in the 82nd Signal Battalion. After leaving Fort Bragg, went to Germany for 3 years. Did that, came back to Fort Bragg, and I got out from there and started trucking.
So how did you get involved with Wreaths Across America?
Well, I didn't know a whole lot about it other than the brochures with the Bennett trucks on it, you know. And then Bob Thomas called me up a few months ago and asked me if I would be interested in doing it, and I jumped right on that. I mean, look at it. It's awesome, and I'm just glad to be a part of it. I brought back down about 5,100 wreaths. I had a stop on my load in Warwick, Georgia, and then I bounced on back to McDonough. My son, as I said, is in the Navy, and I flew out to San Antonio to pin his badge on him because he just finished up school. Jumped back on the plane, came back here so I could participate and finish up this last leg. The Bennett family of companies is awesome. It's family oriented. If you need anything, you can get it, you just have to ask. And I couldn't ask to be at a better place. Ace Doran is awesome. Jim Collins and Chad Leiter up there, they take care of me, and I'm not going anywhere, I'm home.